with Track Pak and Redline tires.
503 were built in 1969. Fully documented. R4 red with that red interior, as Chris Jacobs has already previewed for us. Standard issue 440, that's 375 horsepower. With that A33 4-speed transmission and the A33 Track Pak with 354 gears. And there's that distinctive red interior. Doesn't match the exterior at all. It's a completely different shade. In fact, the exterior red almost has a bit of an orange tint to it.
It does. Are you sure? Kind of a 3 1/4. Not.
Actually, you know, it reminds me of Calypso Coral a little bit. The exterior.
Okay. Thank you so
$325. Color notwithstanding. That's a big time bid on this Daytona.
You just said $325.
We do it.
I did?
You did.
Sorry.
Yeah, watch that, will you?
My brain forgot to add the zeros on the end.
Yeah, it's a pretty big omission.
It is. Hey, I'm $325. I could bid on that.
Yeah, that's what I mean.
350, and now the reserve is off.
Yeah, the Daytona, that was the next step up from the Charger 500. That was Chrysler's first shot at a super speedway car. That was a dud. And then they decided, hey, let's go all the way. Built the Daytona, got the guys from the Aerospace division of Chrysler to help smooth out all the lines on the car. And it wasn't long after that that old Bobby Isaac won the NASCAR championship in one of these cars.
380, 370,000, 380,000, 380,000.
Jimmy Landis asking for $400,000 to be bid.
380,
Finito.
You get 385. You get 385.
Well, now they're thinking about that.
$385,000.
That's Guy Fieri in there, lower left.
Well, there we go. $380,000. Fist bumps all around for that 1969 Dodge Daytona, one of the Winged Warriors.
And what a cool juxtaposition there, John, with the Daytona in the foreground and the Superbird that's going to Kissimmee in the background.
Right, Hemi versus 440 there, right side by side. Both 4-speeds, though.
Very cool.
Indeed.
$130,000. You want to give $130,000 for it. 130, 120 bid, $130,000. Anybody else?